Are you looking to start off 2025 with an absolute banger of a New Year's resolution? Do you want to feel more energized, get more fit, and absolutely crush it throughout 2025 and beyond? Well, I got you. In this video, I'm going to share with you the one plant-based food that you must be adding into your diet in 2025 and beyond. This simple and easy food will not only give you the energy that you're looking for, but the results also, so that you can stay ahead of the pack in 2025. Hi, I'm Blaze, and I help men and women to crush it in a plant-based lifestyle by keeping it simple with plant-based foods. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple and easy natural food that I love to eat and is one of my secret weapons that I use to staying lean and fit on a plant-based lifestyle. I'm going to take you on a harvest right now into my garden so that we can harvest some of this fresh fruit that I'm going to share with you today. Any guesses on what that fruit was? Correct. I knew you were smart. And stick around until later in this video because I'm going to share with you my simple preservation method for my bananas when I have an excess of it, so that I don't need to eat it all at one time and it'll last me throughout the year, especially when I travel and go on trips somewhere. And I always bring this simple snack with me wherever I go. I'm going to show you the bananas exactly how I harvested them without trying to clean them and make it all pretty. I'll just show you the raw and uncut version. I got 2 bunches out of these, and as you can see, the birds got the top half of all the ripe bananas. And usually when this happens, I just use a pruner and I snip off the stem right in the middle. If you're not consuming bananas already in your lifestyle, then make sure you make this a part of your diet in 2025. This fruit will easily help you to stay lean, fit, and energized. Leave a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite way to prepare and cook bananas or eating them raw. Share your favorite method down below so that we can all learn and grow together. If you're not already growing some of these foods yourself, then make sure you are sourcing them from a good, trusted source. And by doing this, you will notice an absolute change in your energetic field. You will start waking up feeling more vibrant and energized than ever before. You can always start small and simple. So let's just say, for example, when January 1st comes and most people are starting their New Year's resolution, instead of jumping all in to a plant-based lifestyle or vegetarian lifestyle, or keto diet, whatever you're going after, make sure that you're gradually going in and you're just not jumping off the cliff all of a sudden and going all in on a plant-based lifestyle, because most people can't handle going all in at one time. It's very few people that actually pull that off and keep going long term. What you want to do is start right now and start planning. On a notebook, you can literally start writing a lot of the plant-based foods that you love, and then start looking on Facebook, local websites, co-ops, small farmers that are in your area or are nearby, and start seeing what types of foods that they grow that you absolutely love. And the trick is, this is what I do. I go on Facebook Marketplace and I'll see who is selling local produce in my area that I don't grow or have, that I actually love to eat. And I'll get in touch with them and I'll usually pick up fruits, vegetables, whatever it is, in bulk. So by buying in bulk, you can usually get a wholesale price. This is what I do. I highly recommend this if you're planning on starting a plant-based lifestyle. You can do it. Just have some strategy behind your plan and how you're structuring this out. If you're going into it without a plan and without the most important thing that I mentioned in my other video, where I explain the most important tip that you need when you start transitioning into a healthy or plant-based lifestyle, I'll leave a link for that video above and down in the description box below. Check out that video because that will truly help you if you plan on going plant-based or adding plant-based foods into your life in 2025. Here's a fun fact for you. I seen this video about this Filipino woman that lives in the Philippines, and she was 107 years old. And one of the main staples of her diet was bananas. and she was strong, vibrant, and healthy. I was actually quite shocked and amazed when I seen that. So just to show you, with the amount of fiber and potassium that bananas have, this will easily keep you strong out the gate running towards your goals and dreams throughout 2025. And this is why you should be adding bananas into your daily regimen, because you can make simple foods such as banana and strawberry smoothie, banana and blueberry smoothies. You can make a chocolate banana smoothie with some cacao in there. And also you can fry bananas when they get quite ripe. All you need is a little bit of coconut oil on that pan. You slice up your bananas, you fry them. You can sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon if you want, or just keep them plain. Also, you can make simple and delicious fresh banana bread, which is absolutely one of my favorite breads to eat. And also, some people use green bananas as a type of almost like a potato to slice up and put in their soups. You can always make some amazing fruit bowls with bananas also. Slice up some bananas, throw in some raspberries, throw in some mango, get some dragon fruit also, and cut some nice big chunks and throw that in your fruit bowl. Sprinkle some chia seeds on top and you are good to go. And don't forget simple salads too. You can always thinly slice bananas, throw them in a beautiful kale salad, which is absolutely delicious. You can always crush up some almonds, mac nuts, cashews, and sprinkle that on top of your salad. And now for the simple preservation method that I use to make my bananas last year round with ease is simple dehydrating. Once you start dehydrating fruit, bananas, mangoes, whatever it is, they will easily have a shelf life of at least a year. Even longer if you end up vacuum sealing them in bags and putting them away in a dark and cool space. Dehydration is one of my favorite methods in preserving fruits because of the portability that you have with them. You are able to put them in Ziploc bags or even vacuum sealed bags and take them with you traveling wherever you go, and they won't get bad. So your fruit will easily have a shelf life of at least a year, and most likely about 2 years if you end up vacuum sealing them in bags. And if you are interested in learning how to dehydrate fruit from beginning till end, then watch this video right here where I take you step by step on how you can dehydrate bananas so that you can crush your health goals in 2025 and beyond. Watch this video over here and I'll see you over there.